In level 1, we will just be reviewing transformations of parent functions. We're going to be doing that with trig functions, so we need to remember our transformation rules. If you remember, say we are given a function x squared, the parent function x squared is a parabola. And if we were to transform that, putting a negative on the outside of the function, which gives us the function negative x squared, that's going to rotate or flip the function over the x-axis. It's a vertical reflection, so it would go from up to down. So flipped over the x-axis. So to describe it, it reflected over the x-axis. In part B, we have a negative on the inside. That's going to be a horizontal reflection. Now, with the parabola, if I take my x squared graph and reflect it over the y-axis, it lands on top of itself. So it's not going to look much different. But the plus 3 on the outside is going to shift it up 3. So this function, 1, 2, 3, would look like this. But to describe the transformation, it's going to reflect over the y-axis, and it's also going to shift up 3. And then for our last transformation, we have x plus 3, so a plus 3 added on the inside. This is a horizontal shift. And then we have a minus 2 on the outside, which is a vertical shift. So this parabola with the plus 3, remember that horizontal shifts are always counterintuitive. So we might think that this would go in the positive direction to the right 3, but it doesn't. It goes back in the negative direction to the left 3. And then it's going to go down 2. So the parabola would go, if we took that vertex to the left 3 and down 2, it would look something like this. So we shift left 3 and we shift down 2.